Okay, here's the Grand Prix racetrack, and this is before the races start up on it, so I'm kind of slow traffic right now, eh? Because a lot of construction going on right now. This is built up temporarily, so you can see all of this, and we're gonna walk all the way down there towards the where you can watch the racetrack, and then you can also see some up this way as well. So we'll show you a lot more of that in more detail momentarily. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so all this stuff will go up and it'll look like that. So yep, this is the Macau racetrack, and where we're going to be walking towards is the stadium. This is where it goes up into the hills. I'm not sure if it goes this way or that way, but it does go up into those hills, and there's lots of kind of tight turns. I think it comes down this way. So I think they come in this way, and they're usually going real fast, and they have to turn real sharp here, and they usually turn in front of this campac. And then once this is built, all this stuff will be, see how strong that is? Okay, pretty strong. Once it's built, you won't have any access to be able to see on this side. And also those little walkways over there too, the glass, they'll block that off so people can't see it for free anywhere. Yep, it goes up into those hills. So if I get a chance, I'll try to take a car, try to drive that racetrack. I just don't know the path. But now that it's being built like this, it looks like it's going to be something I can follow. Makes me kind of curious actually to do that path. Okay, let's get a little bit closer look. So I don't know, and then these are some older casinos on that direction. I'm gonna try to get a little closer here. Got a taxi right there, so we'll just go in front of him. And then now you can see the racetrack. And we're going to be walking all the way towards those stands down that way. Maybe this side isn't so interesting, but that compact right here, I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But all those lights up that way, those lights are a great place to view the racetrack. And let me get through here. There we go. So yeah, that one right there. It's basically a giant kind of restaurant. Some live music is in there, and then on the periphery part there's all these places to sit in chairs, and I guess they sell a certain amount of seats available that you can purchase, and then you can sit up there and enjoy the racetrack with a full buffet. And I think they have live music and a bunch of TVs, so usually I think what people will do is they'll kind of enjoy all the food and drinks and things like that, and then, you know, rush to the windows if anything happens big here. And they can, you know, do a little bit of mix of both. I heard that when people are actually watching it from the stands, all they're really doing is just watching these cars come in at fast speed, slowing down just briefly. They get a chance to look at them because they have to slow down so much, and then they're usually off to the races again, you know, as soon as they get around the corner like that. So there we go. So those are the stands, so you can buy tickets to the stands right there. Yeah, if you put it like that, and there's a Star World Casino right there, that red and blue building, compact casino right there, and then over there is a Wind Casino. Let's take a look around a little bit more. I don't know what these are. So yeah, this is Avenida de Amizade. Kind of nice. And then yeah, this is the Casino Lisboa right here. So you got Lisboa Casino, Compact Casino, Star World, Wind. So if you had any kind of place in those two, I don't know how much those would run a night, but you could probably watch it from your window. I'm sure you could. I'm sure that would be nice. If you could afford it, it'd be amazing. Okay, so this is the racetrack, and they're gonna probably keep building this out further along. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I'll have to try to drive it with my car when I get a chance. And I'm just gonna come up here a little bit just to give you some context to where this is at. There's the casino right here, Crystal Palace Casino, but this is part of Casino Lisboa. So just walk around over to that one too with the camera. And there's wind. This is more stuff. This wasn't here in the past, so I'm sure this is all for the racetrack. I guess these are probably, looks like they kind of soften and impact a little bit, kind of like rubberish, like a hard rubber that if you hit really hard with a car, maybe it would still do some damage, but not as much damage as hitting pure concrete or something. Okay, so that's the Lisboa Casino. And that's a racetrack behind me. Just gonna go up a little bit further just to give you some context of everything. I think this one might be something that brings in people who might not see Macau otherwise. Hopefully there's not too many of those when the Grand Prix starts. Ambulances, they have them on call though, for sure. So there we go, there's Lisboa right there. That's the hotel entrance. And then up here is kind of a giant bus. Many buses stop in this place because it's very conveniently located between Macau and Taipa. And the racetrack is in Macau, but then the casinos are in Taipa. That's all on that side. Down that way. Okay, there's Grand Lisboa. There's Casino Lisboa. Looks beautiful. That's the Bank of China, the Macau branch. FIT, Fashion Institute of Technology. This is a residential apartment. This is kind of this cool little space in the middle. Wind. So, okay. And then our racetrack was directly down that road, right down that way. So, so Macau racetrack, where it's at, a little bit of a view at nighttime, what it looks like and how it's being prepared. Okay, hope you like this one. Make some comments below. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha. Chiquinha.